Ladies and gentlemen, we acknowledge the presence of Honourable Chief Minister Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik, an absolutely regular day for the youth of the state. And we are so honoured to have Honourable Chief Minister bring the honours for Startup Odisha family. I request Executive Chairman Startup Odisha, Dr. Omkar Rai, to please welcome the gathering.
Honourable CM of Odisha, delegates from industry and startup ecosystem, Principal Secretary Ravindra Chopra ji. On behalf of Startup Odisha and Youth of Odisha, Startup ecosystem of Odisha, I extend a very warm welcome to Honourable CM for gracing this occasion and motivating and encouraging the startup ecosystem and for flagging off this Startup Yatra 2.0 and also unveiling the Fund Stack 2.0, which is aimed at seeking and organizing a lot of fund to the startup ecosystem. I must extend a warm welcome to Honourable CM and express my gratitude on my personal behalf. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Rai, for doing the honour. May I request Honourable Chief Minister Odisha to please do the honour of unveiling Startup Odisha Yatra 2.0 flyer. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause for Startup Odisha Yatra 2.0 flyer, a flagship initiative by Startup Odisha family. May I request Honourable Chief Minister to please do the honour of unveiling the Farm Stack Flyer 2.0. The flyers are intended to disseminate information and awareness about the Startup Odisha initiative, Startup Odisha Yatra 2.0. Finally, may I request Honourable Chief Minister to please flag off Startup Odisha Yatra 2.0 vehicle that will be travelling across the state and go to every nook and corner, create awareness, go to more than 100 educational institutions, interact with the youth who are aspiring to be long-term tomorrow, giving them more information.